Hi there, I'm Darren McCosker.
And I'm Rebecca Hoswell.
And we're from Ray White, and we're inviting you to come and have a look at our brand new offering at 5 Ven Parade in Thornlands. Set on a 6,000 square metre level allotment, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom renovated home is an absolute entertainer's dream. It comes also with a fully self-contained granny flat as well as an entertainer's pavilion. So come with us as we take ourselves for a look around.
The main residence, with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and multiple living areas, has been tastefully renovated throughout and is a true entertainer's dream.
And as we exit the main residence, we enjoy all the peaceful surrounds of the 6,000 square metre allotment, all the way through to our self-contained 1-bedroom low-set villa with everything that you need.
So thank you for taking the time to have a walk around with us. And from the whole team, we look forward to showing you in person.
And most importantly, we look forward to seeing you at the auction.